What is going on YouTube? Hit it back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu, Floki, as well as Dogecoins, the afternoon episode where we talk about the meme coins here. Very easy trade that we just had a couple of hours ago here. This was back yesterday where we had a beautiful break to the upside here after tracking a beautiful descending fractal that we've been tracking for quite some time now on the channel here. Even then, we could have zoomed in a little bit further to find out the exact pinpoint here, but there were a lot of signs that we're going to go over as to the breakout that took place here. Beautiful lower high, lower low stair stepping pattern here. Then we formed some sort of symmetrical triangle, filled in the gap, and we burst it, and I mean popped. Now this is on the 4 hour. We could jump into the hourly, and you can see that the confirmation buy-in was right here to take advantage of that. And then since then, we've rallied up even higher. You know, you still haven't missed out on this opportunity. There will be other ones, obviously, here. I would definitely take profits if you haven't already, but we'll go into that more in depth in a second with you. Same thing, we're going to look at Shiba Inu here, bouncing off bottom support. Could be double bottom, I don't know. We're also going to look at Doge, which broke out beautifully from its descending fractal. Another very easy buy-in opportunity. Excuse me, on the hourly charts here. You can see that was clearly shown once we confirmed the closure above resistance here, close the hourly right here. We even have a bull flag, so there's a chance that we're going to see Doge move even higher in the very near future. So I'm excited to see the results of this. Hopefully you guys are too. Anywho, as I told you in the last episode, I finally got BidFi to do a giveaway for you guys to give away some free Shiba Inu, and hopefully you guys appreciate that. All you got to do is click the link down in the description below, and that is it. Then you can get entered in, and all the instructions are there, and they're going to change the event date so you have more time. But it's $200 in Shiba Inu that's split between 4 people, and you can get it completely free with that link down in the description below. And on top of that, for new users, if you deposit crypto into the account, you can also earn up to $200 as well on top of that, just yourself, a full $200 in free cryptocurrency. And then if you want to withdraw your money out afterwards, then it's a win-win situation. So make sure to check BidFi out down in the description below. Also, remember, I'm doing my own giveaway here for an Amazon gift card as well as some free BidFi merch. And all you got to do is comment your favorite crypto down below and subscribe. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. So guys, as you can see, a couple of days ago, we made an episode in regards to looking at kind of where we expect to see Shiba and these other altcoins move down to. We were in a continued correction. You could see here slowly moving down to where we thought target would be closer to the moving average here, and we got real close to doing that. You can see these are on the 4 hours. If we jump like to SHIB and we jump to the daily, you can see we were on our way scaling lower. This was much higher up. I think that one I was using either Doge or Floki here. I'll pull up Doge for a second. Let's check it out. Yeah, so I had Doge as a reference here to pulling down a moving average here. But if you watch this morning's episode and the one from yesterday here, you'd know that we were talking that the markets seem to have some sort of blip. They've hit supports. They've hit the oversold mark just on the 4 hour and hourly charts. There's a good chance we could see a small reversal, and that's what we're kind of experiencing now. That a correction back up is not by any means a surprise here, and that's what we're starting to experience today, which we're going to continue to go over. Hard to talk. Lots of things to discuss here. Anywho, going right into Floki, you can see Floki had this beautiful opportunity here a couple of days ago here. You could see a couple of moments ago, we had drawn an ascending fractal that we were tracking. Well, we hit price ceiling and we knew we would start to scale lower here, potentially all the way down to moving average. However, we also discovered that there was some sort of opportunity where prices broke through price ceiling, and you can see this became a new support, and that's what we retested 19th just 2 days ago here, and we had drawn a descending fractal that the markets are playing in very, very well actually here. Another buying opportunity was right here. So a couple of days ago, we had made videos on Floki saying we were in some sort of sideways channel here where the markets are ping-ponging off the top and bottom supports, filling in the gap. And at some point or another, if we can confirm closure above resistance, we would break up. If we close below, we would break down. Fortunately, it was to the downside here, but we also noticed a new pattern, a higher low or a lower high, lower low pattern here, filling in the gap. A stair-stepping downwards pattern here. As we were continuing to scale lower, we started to see some consolidation after bottoming out on support right here, which you can see is a very solid support nonetheless. Well, now that we're filling in this gap here, you'll notice if I jump to the hourly and I zoom in, we are forming an uptrend, a higher low pattern, filling in the gap yet again. As we were getting squeezed, a decision had to be made. Because we confirmed closure outside price ceiling and above, and confirmed closing above a resistance that you can see since the beginning of the start of this, we have never been able to close above. So once we got confirmation to close above here, that was that buying opportunity, and then we since rallied off, which is beautiful when you track things on the 4-hour. Again, it's a get in, get out scenario here, a very quick buying opportunity. And what's cool is we're also about to experience a golden cross for Floki and these other cryptos, which could yield some pretty profitable returns if we continue to head up. But I would just take your profits for now and wait for these markets to continue to pan out and play out, as there's just a chance we can continue to veer lower here, and that's what we need to wait for before we do any sort of drastic measures or drastic buy-in opportunities. Anywho, moving forward from that, I want to show you guys BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything that you'd want on an exchange is offered on BidFi, which is incredible if you ask me. Not only are we doing the $200 giveaway of Shiba Inu and the 200 sign-up bonus, but then we're doing a BidFi giveaway of merch. It just tells you how much I like this exchange. BidFi offers all your favorite cryptocurrencies. They have Floki, they have Shiba, they have Doge. Literally every single one is offered on BidFi for you guys to take advantage of. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade. Like I said before, they have a welcome reward sign-up bonus of extra money you can earn, which is even cooler. Not many of you guys might know that. You can earn over $2,000 in Monopoly money completely free. And on top of that, by completing these tasks here, but you can then trade around Doge and all these other blue chip cryptocurrencies completely free using a demo trading account here, which not a lot of you guys know about. It's a simulator account, give you 50,000 in Monopoly money that you can easily you can easily reset your amount and raise it at any time at a moment's notice here, and it allows you to practice trading for free and risk-free, which I highly recommend to everybody. So make sure to sign up to them down in the description below. Anywho, moving forward from Floki here, Doge had a very similar reaction. Ever since we retested price ceiling and broke down from that, we rejected off the ceiling here and are starting to skew lower. We noticed that there was some sort of kind of descending fractal forming here, lower high, lower low pattern. And then again, checking out the hourly chart, when we confirmed closure above that, real aggressive, don't get me wrong, real aggressive. That was that opportunity to buy in and long. Now you can see we're overbought on the hourly. You can see on the 4-hour, we are not doing too bad, but we're now caught up with the moving average. So for those wondering, did I miss out on this run? Is there still time? Well, the next opportunity would be looking at the 4-hour. We're caught up on 4-hour moving average. If we can confirm closure above a resistance, and I'll draw it for you guys here, above right here, do I want to do it here? No, we're going to do it right here. If we could close above 15.157, that would be an opportunity again to buy in. Because if we can close above here, then we're going to be heading back up to retest price ceiling here, which is incredible. And there's a good chance that's going to happen. So keep your eyes peeled on this. Otherwise, rejection could take place and we could dip. So that's why we're going to wait for the 4-hour buy-in opportunity if you haven't bought in on the hourly. That's my opinion with it. As for SHIB is forming something absolutely huge. It is a monstrous bull flag here. And at some point, if we can confirm closure above this on the 4-hour, we should expect to see a very large takeoff. But until then, we're just consolidating and filling in the gap here. Nothing really to write home about. And again, we're still trending inside this descending fractal here. So just be patient on this. It's going to take a while as we fill this in. We found a support, so hopefully it does something like this. But yet again, big things to come on a lot of these altcoins. You guys haven't even seen the beginning of it. So I'm excited to see the results of this. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Comment your favorite crypto to enter the giveaway. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.